Hey guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video guys is we're going to do the review and we're going to unbox this power bank from Tranyoo. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to our channel. And yes guys, we have here another gadget here. This is the power bank from Tranyoo. This is 20,000 milliamperes guys. It supports super fast charging ability with type C built-in line. So it supports like 22.5 watts guys. So without further ado guys, let's open this one. So I have also used this one guys for a couple of days, and all I can say guys, it's that it's really doing its job. So let's set this aside. And in the box guys, so we have here the type C charging cable. Here we go guys, our Tranyoo power bank. Okay, so this one guys, it's very stylish. So as you can see, on first glance you cannot really say that this is just a power bank, but it is. Okay, so let's take this one out guys. So this is more like a cover here. Okay, so this is like more like a protection so that the area here will not be scratched, as you can see. So this is actually like a button guys, so if you're going to press the button, then it will give you this kind of percentage of the power bank has left. And on the left guys, so we have here this is just looks guys like a hook, but this is really a working type C cable guys. So as you can see, so it is USB type C here, so you shouldn't have any problem charging this one because this one is already built in. And at the back, so we have here 22.5 watts, so it means guys it supports fast charging capability. And then we have here 3 ports. So we have here the USB and then type C, and I believe this is for the iPhone. Okay, and this is where you put the built-in line and then guys, so you can easily carry it with you. I have already used this one guys, and you can fully charge this one up. It depends on your adapters. So in my case, I can charge this one for 100% for only like 6 hours. And I'm actually using the Samsung S10, and I can charge that one up guys for around like 4 times with a full charge. So this one guys, it's pretty nice, and with an affordable price, this is really a perfect present, especially this holiday season, and especially if you're traveling and you just want a handy power bank, then this Tranyoo 20,000 milliamperes power bank is for you. So guys, if you have this one, let me know your comments. And if you like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel. Once again guys, this is Josh, and I'll see you on our next video.